Is Windows failing to load because of the Kdcom Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. To begin the walkthrough for Kdcom Library, you can choose the manual path or use a resource designed for environment stability. This is the Kdcom Library, the Kernel Debugger Communications library. It manages the unmanaged localized hardware handshakes via COM, USB, or NET, required for kernel-level debugging. It facilitates the data link to the OS bootloader manifests. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. If Kdcom Library DLL is missing, it indicates a problem with your Windows system image. I suggest running sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a surgical repair of your core operating system files. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Kdcom library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A quick professional note on security. Sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. The statistical risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out critical files like Kdcom Library DLL within your System32 or syswow64 folders. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. Review options for improving system stability and resource management by consulting the diagnostic information linked below for Kdcom Library. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved Kdcom Library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.